Welcome back to our channel again. Today in this very important video we're going to understand one of the most important indicator, which is called as Bollinger Band and which is also called as BB. So welcome guys, welcome to a new video again. So Bollinger Band is not most used as RSI and MACD. So if you want to took your trade on the basis of just indicator, then I will not suggest single-handedly Bollinger Band, because it is not good as RSI and MACD as we have discussed in the previous videos. So it will give you a sense of uh, you know trend is coming, or the shrink in positions, which we have uh, obviously going to talk about in this video. So it is not as much as compact compatible as RSI and MACD. I have told you again and again, right? So make sure that you just not trade on the basis of Bollinger Band. Yes, you can definitely came in that trading view website and you can trade on paper trading. So what is paper trading? Paper trading is something where where your actual money is not included on the trading view website. Here trading view gives you around I think 1 lakh dollar, around something like that, around so amount which is given by trading view, and that is not a actual money. So you can and you can physically trade into that trade here, and whatever the losses or profit you will make, so it will not count at all, right? So that is what you can do, also paper trading also, right? So let's understand what is Bollinger Band. So before understanding Bollinger Band, we are on the chart of BTC, Bitcoin, and as you know that BTC is open for 24 into 7, and we're on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so let me go to the indicator sections and search about BB, and here you can see the Bollinger Band. You have to just simply click here, and most importantly, nothing, you don't have to change anything here. The length, the AM, the SMA, the close, the standard deviation, offset, put at as is right now. And you can change the color of course from here, but I will not change the color also, right? So here comes the Bollinger Band portion. So if I will go through you the definition of it, so it says Bollinger Band are a technical indicator that measures price volatility and helps identifying potential overbought and oversold conditions. RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Band, uh, these are the lagging indicator which tells us the potential overbought on oversold prices. It tells us also that where the price could be move, and where the price could actually give you the uh, potential big movement, right? So if the price is roaming around at a overbought zone, then we can potentially think that here the price can fall from here, and similarly the vice versa is also considerable. Okay, so here you can see that if the price is roaming around this lower level, so that is called lower level. This green line, as you can see, this is called a lower level, and this is the red line called as the upper level, and this is called as the mid level. So that is pretty basic, right? So if the price is on the lower level, so that gives us a buying signal for us, because if the price is actually roaming around the lower level, so that becomes a buying signal, and if the price is actually on the upper level, that becomes a selling signal for us, right? And if the price is shrunken, as you can see that the price is literally shrinking from here, and there is the price go shrinking, and that is the time when it burst actually happen. Okay, so as you can see that the thing is repeated, right? There is the time when the actually prices burst up, there is a time also after the shrinking up. Here you can see that this is a massive shrinking up. Here is also a movement happening. There is also a shrinking up. So you can identify where the price is potentially can be shrinking up. As you can see that this is the positions where the price is pretty good in a shrinking zone. And in the Bitcoin, Bitcoin, so here the price can actually move. This is a news positions. If you see that these are the major newses which can affect the Bitcoin prices. So in TradingView website you can also find it. And I think that the next big moment happening when this news is actually come, which is the ISM service by PMI in United States, right? So here you will find the news of all of these things, and this is the positions where the price was actually move, and you can use you know a lots of website, lots of sites where you can visit where you can visit and search about the next upcoming events that can actually affect the Bitcoin. So here you will get everything, right? So that's it, and I think you get it. So if I will summarize the video for you, you have to just put your Bollinger Band on the indicator portions, and you have to see if the price is going to shrinken up, right? So here you will see this is the big burst, and after the big burst, the price could actually be shrinken up in that positions. Okay, so the price actually in a shrinking mode, and here the big burst actually happen, and again the price in a shrinking mode, and again this is the positions where the big burst actually could be seen by the market, right? So it could be downward, it could be upward, we don't know, but we can potentially guess that from here a big move can be happen in the market. Okay, so that is what Bollinger Band actually wants trying to tell you. It doesn't give you a proper trade, I would say, but if you want to do a scalping here, right there, okay, so if I have to take a trade on that, so I will be neutral in that position because the price is roaming around in a uh, in a midline. So if the price was there, and here you will see a inverted hammer candle, then I will pretty sell from here, right? So if I sell from here, then you can see my positions would be like, if I would sell from here, then I can capture that move, and my SL should be like that. Okay, so I can easily capture 2.75 percentage. And again, from here on the strategy of Bollinger Band. So if I will see that the price is roaming around in a lower level, so what I would say that in the lower level you have to buy, and in the upper level you have to sell. The price always wanted to moving in that Bollinger Band, right? So if you want to capture a short trade, so you have to just visit the long positions. Let's say that I capture this movement. So if my SL is right that, so I can capture this movement. Okay, so this is pretty good 1:5 movement also. So that is how you can actually do a little bit of scalping in the market, but I would not suggest it for the beginner because it feels super risky, and Bitcoin is can give you wild movement in a second. And so yeah, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.